Welcome to Daffodoo. Hope everyone is doing good. I would urge you to be cautious and be safe.
This video is on a fun paper aquarium where the kids can enjoy with you making this beautiful box aquarium with paper fishes and paper drawings. So you can customize as per your choice. So I have this cardboard box which is rectangular in shape. You can use any shoe box also. So I'm leaving spaces of half an inch on both the sides, and on the top I'm giving 1 centimeter space, and the bottom also I've given little 1 inch space. So I've cut on all the 3 sides. Now I've taken the light blue paper to cover it. So this we will cover it from the inside. So to give it a neater finish, we have to mark whole of the box on the paper and glue it. So this is the inside of the box, not the exterior. So neatly place the glue on all the edges of the box and spread it, and then paste the paper onto the box from the inside. I have not covered the bottom part, just the top and the sides which I am covering in this. So after applying the glue, turn it over, and as you can see in the video, cut the edges diagonally and then create a box, so that when we fold the pieces inside, we will get a neat finished edge for all the openings which we have created. So this will enhance the look of the box basically. So I am placing all this and just press it to the side. So this likewise I will cover it on all the sides, and to give it a little wavy look, I am just using a dark tint crayon and I'm just brushing. You can use watercolors or any colors as per your choice. After that, I'm creating little bubbly effect. I'm drawing little bubbles of water to give it a nice aquarium backdrop. Then some greens I am adding, some leaves and ferns like that in the box on all the edges which are visible. Now I am creating a small fish on the backdrop. So I've made paper fishes also and some weeds kind. This is how I've just give a small trim and pull it up with the scissors. So they should not be in a rectangular place, give it an uneven rusty look. And for the fish, take a square paper, small one, and then give a triangular fold as shown in the video. Open it and give it, then make it into a rectangle by folding it to half on both the sides. Now after giving the creases, just fold this to bring a triangle in between. This is a basic origami fold, and then bring it into a triangle, and then take one of the flap from inside part and then fold. So this is, we will get the fins and the tail. So the basic fish is ready. You can decorate it with markers as per your choice. You can vary it with the size, you can give scales or as per your choice. And now to make it hang in the aquarium, I'm just using a simple cotton thread with the help of needle and bring it to the top part as I did in the video, and leave the thread. Now glue the flaps. So that's it. Before covering it from the external side, just place the little card sheet in the bottom, and to hang the fish I am using the top box which is open. So you can always place a small stick and tie these, or you can do as I did by just giving a small tape and make them hanging in various places. So you can see the spacing, height, and then paste this. So this is how the basic fishes are hanging into, and then I've covered all the sides with the same blue color to give it a nice finish. So this is how our basic box is ready. Now to give that aquarium look, I am just pouring the sand. If you have gravel, you can use that also, and place some pebbles if you have some seashells or anything which you can place inside. And then I am placing this grass like structure which we created here and there. And to enhance the look more, I am drawn a small starfish on a paper and just stuck at the back of the box. So that's it. Our basic structure of the aquarium is ready. If you want to enhance it, you can draw, or you can put lights, or you can cover it with the cellophane, but I found that it is beautiful open. So this is a summer fun project which you can create for kids school project also if they are interested. Thank you so much for watching.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Namaste.